Hey everybody, how are we doing? And welcome to a very special giveaway video, because it's been a few months since we've organised something, and this is actually the biggest giveaway I think we've ever been involved in on this channel. So this video and the competition has been set up and sponsored by ASUS ROG, who, as you know, have sponsored the channel for almost 2 years now, and they're organising a very large giveaway with potentially over $30,000 worth of PC gaming prizes to up to 30 winners worldwide. The thing that's so awesome about this one though is that it's actually been designed to almost give back to loyal ROG fans that have been using their products for years, in addition to aspiring PC gamers that really want to start their computing journey but maybe aren't in the right financial situation to actually start that right now. The way that all of this works is actually pretty simple, as all you need to do is register for an ASUS VIP account with the link in the description, and then you can enter the contest. You can do this with 3 different activities, all of which will give you points, and yes, points mean prizes, and they count towards a big prize draw after the giveaway closes and result in a random prize draw where up to 25 winners will take home a big prize. The main activity though that you simply must enter is all about the longevity of ASUS stuff and about how they can keep lasting for years to come when other products, I guess, might not. So really, all you've got to do is share a story between you and an ASUS product. Maybe how it's changed your life, maybe how long you've had it, or maybe that it's survived in a really extreme circumstance. Have you dropped it down the stairs and it's still going? Have you been playing Apex Legends in the Sahara Desert? If that's you, I would be very impressed. For me, and some of you will already know this story, it's all about this. This is ASUS's 1080 Ti Poseidon, and they sent this to me to review around about, it's quite a few years ago now, about two and a half years ago, whenever this thing came out. And I was supposed to water cool this, as many of you will know. But for better or worse, well, definitely for worse, this did get some water cooling, but not quite the cooling you would expect, as I had an all-in-one liquid cooler, and it actually managed to one day leak all over the top of this card. So I don't think you can see that on camera, but there's actually still some marks where the water went in and the whole computer completely went black screen, disaster. I didn't actually realise straight away because it's not something you expect, but when I did see this fluorescent green water slowly going into the card, I was heartbroken. I tried to make a video streaming to show what had happened, and my Wi-Fi at the time, my phone was connecting to a Wi-Fi extender, so that video is in about 240p. It was a disaster all round, and I was pretty much ready to say to ASUS, I'm really sorry, I've broken your graphics card. That's the end of that. But to my surprise, after taking it apart, leaving it to dry for a few days, I actually put this back in my computer, and it worked. I honestly have never been more surprised at a tech product working than I was that day. I really couldn't believe it. I played PUBG for around about, I think, 2.5 hours that night, and it still worked. And here we are today. This has probably clocked up an extra 300 to 500 hours of gameplay since that day. And I've now got a very special connection towards this card that sounds a little bit weird, but it's true. I just couldn't believe that something like this could die and then come back from the dead. It was very impressive, and I certainly am a believer in the Poseidon brand now. It really is quite a remarkable story, but if you don't have one like this or you don't own anything ROG, then don't worry, because you can still enter. All you need to do is create an animation or a photo montage of the ROG products that you really want the most, and then share why you want them and what makes them strong, durable products that will last you for years to come. All of these stories will be voted on by ASUS, as well as yourselves, and the most popular entries will be the winners. And if you do want to increase your chances of winning on that random prize draw, then there's also a fun little PC building DIY quiz you can take that will give you extra points and give you more chances to win. And no, I'm not going to be sharing the answers because that would make it all too easy, but I think there's a guy called Centric that actually puts together PC builds and gives you a few tips along the way. Maybe you could pick up some of the answers there. How about that? If you do want to check out the giveaway, then do hit the link down in the description below. Best of luck for you. The full terms and conditions are on ASUS's website, so be sure to give those a read. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button. It helps out so much. We can do more giveaways if we hit more likes. It sounds silly, but to be honest, it probably is true. Hit the subscribe button as well if you do want those straight to your inbox and other PC gaming videos. A massive thank you to ASUS for actually sponsoring all of this, and I'll see you in the next one.